Alright, I'm back.
What's up?
I'm back. We're good.
Alright. Alright.
Anyway, can you remind me, like, so you're better than your dad, you said?
What?
You said you're better than your dad at
Yeah.
Rocket League? And wait, when
Yeah.
did you surpass him?
About like a year ago?
Oh my god, a year. I'm on your right.
Alright.
Oh my god, I'm lagging. Hello?
Yeah, 50 ping.
Yeah,
Look at
no,
my
my
ping, bro.
FPS is
It's
like
the
dropped.
best.
My FPS is like so low right now. Hold on. Something happened.
My ping is the best though.
We're good. Go ahead. Oh,
I'm at
yeah.
the end.
Good
I'll
try,
take
good
that
try, good
boost.
try.
Yep, you beat him.
Alright,
I think.
got him.
Nice.
I'm shooting. Ah.
I chased him down.
Oh, you're good, you're good. You got time. Man, he's going back. Shoot it. Oh, wait, that works.
It was supposed to
I'm
be a
dying.
pass.
He's dead.
You can pass if you can.
Oh,
He's
sorry.
not scoring. Nice. One more.
I'm gonna try and flip reset.
One more if you can.
Whoops.
I shot it. I'll pass. That's right to you.
I have no boost.
He's
I got
on,
it.
he's on. Nice. I have no boost though. I need you to challenge. Shot.
Okay.
Might be in. Nice.
I just
I'm
clicked.
there.
Okay, you're good.
I'll just shoot. Off backboard. He's not gonna get there in time. Told you. I'm dead though.
Good try.
Oh, free. That's so free though.
Oh, what
No
a save.
way.
What a save.
I beat him. That's in.
Oh,
No,
good
it's
shot.
not.
Good shot.
Yeah. Top bins as well.
Dang.
That was like perfect.
Yeah, that was nice.
I'll go right.
Okay.
Wait, no, left.
Okay. Got
Good
you.
pass.
And then their corner. Oh, you got that. Oh,
Yes,
good
sir.
shots.
Thanks. No, I didn't want to start the reset so early, like right there, you know, because I could have scored way easier if I just did that, you know. I'll hit it left.
That was a good shot. All right.
Yeah. Did you get your smooth day?
Yeah, I did.
Yes, sir. What is it?
I don't even know. I think it's like orange or something. I don't know.
Orange and banana?
I don't even know. I haven't gotten to sip it yet because the thing started.
Like a good one?
Yeah. Like I don't remember. You got it?
It's hard to remember taste after you just drink it, right? Right though?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Cause like, it's just like hard to remember, you know? Like your brain just goes off.
Yeah. Especially when you're multitasking, like.
Literally.
You know. Oh god.
You're fine.
This guy just messed himself up. I'm here. I'm there.
Nice.
It should be a goal. It's not.
I can't.
He
missed?
You're good.
There's no way that kid just missed. That's insane. I got 100.
Alright, I'm gonna demo second man. What? Yo, oh my god, you're insane. You're actually so good.
Woo! Oh no.
Oh, that's unlucky. It's alright.
Yeah. I can't do everything, you know?
Dude, I'm thinking, like, imagine how good you'll be when you turn, like, 15.
I probably will be SSL in, like, 2 years max.
You think so?
Yeah, 2 years max, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I won't doubt it.
I was stuck in champ, like, 4 years.
You were stuck in champ for 4 years?
I think.
So what, since you were 6? Oh my god, dude, your defense is crazy. I'm actually selling so hard.
Oh, good. I mean, that's what my friends call me, the brick wall.
Yeah.
And in soccer.
Oh, you play soccer too?
Yeah, I'm a goalie as well.
Oh, okay, that's actually lit.
Yeah.
I played soccer and I just recently stopped. I played striker for like 16 years almost.
Oh yeah, pass it.
I got bumped.
How old are you now?
Oh, right now I'm 60. I'm at like 13 years. I've been playing since I was like 2 or 3.
Yeah?
I forgot.
Okay. Love you, bye. Yeah.
I got this.
Okay.
On the ceiling?
Hit it down. Oh.
My bad. I kind of lost control.
I thought
Dude,
you was gonna cook me.
that was, you
That's
had
so
so much
funny.
confidence to go up for that. Like, that's crazy.
Bro, I thought I missed, bro. I was so scared.
Dude,
I should not have
he
went for
said
that.
getting boosted is sad. What?
I had a whole heart attack, bro. What's it?
What is this guy saying? I think he's saying I'm getting boosted because I'm playing so bad right now.
No, you're not. What are you talking about?
Nah, that's what he's saying. Oh my god.
Oh,
No, they think you're smurfing. That's what's happening. Oh my god, they're just terrible.
bro, I'm not smurfing. This is my main account.
I know.
I can go on my own if you want to, if you want me
Oh,
to.
bang.
But I'm gonna just be the same exact good.
Yeah, look, they just
Yeah,
left.
get out of here. Oh my gosh. Wait, which one
That's
said
crazy.
that? Which one said that?
I don't remember.
How do you not remember?
Bro, I wasn't looking at the name.
One game until I'm free.